Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I am Gewmel and you're so welcome. And to my old subscribers, guys, welcome back. You know now I love you. This video is actually for my newbies, those of you that are new into this makeup game, my makeup beginners, and it's about the way and what I did to achieve my eye makeup look I have on. I remember I did a video previously on the way I achieved my eyebrow makeup look, and today is about the eyeshadow. So guys, I'm done doing my foundation, my priming, my blah 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 blah. I'm done doing my face, but I'm not done yet. I still have my eyeshadow to do, and that is the topic for today. The topic is how to achieve your basic simple eyeshadow look using 5 brushes. I'm holding 4, guys. I know I'm holding 4. I don't know where my daughter carried my brush to. Guys, I've been looking for this brush for the longest time, and I didn't know it was just right under my nose. Sorry for accusing you, Vanessa. So guys, we are moving on to the eyeshadow we are going to use today, and the eyeshadow we are going to use is the imagic Professional Cosmetics eyeshadow. Guys, the name has cleaned off, but this eyeshadow is just the best. This is my favorite palette, and it has all the vibrant colors you could think of. I have to go to this eye so that I'll show you guys what's, the vision of what we are about to achieve. And I'm going to just jump right into it and show you guys how I was able to achieve this look using these 5 brushes. Of course, before you start anything, you have to start with your primer. And for my primer, I'm using the P. Louis base as my primer. Just open it up and I'm going with my blending brush to blend out the primer, the eyeshadow primer. I'm blending in circular motion, guys. Just make sure there are no harsh lines. Now that I have applied my eyeshadow primer and I have blended it out, I'm going to go with my biggest blending brush and this vibrant orange color as my transition color. So guys, just tap it in there first before blending. So now I'm blending. Guys, blend in circular motion. Don't forget, guys, your transition shade should be lighter than the one on your crease. Just take it up to your brow bone a bit. Down. Next thing you're going to do is to take the small blending brush you have and take this slightly dark brown color. Guys, tap first before you blend. Then guys, go back with the initial blending brush used for a transition color and blend it out so all the harsh lines will disappear. Guys, I'm going back with a small brush and I'm going to take a bit of this brown I took initially to tap it onto my outer eyelid. The colors are just staying on. Next, guys, I'm going back and forth, guys. I'm just trying to make sure everything is perfectly blended. You don't want to end up looking like you drew a triangle on there. Next, I'm going back with my pillowy eyeshadow base and my eyeshadow primer rather. I'm going to place it on my lid. So now that it's on my lid, I'm going to go with my blending brush. I'm going to go with my blending brush to blend out the eyeshadow primer. Guys, you want to have the same shape you have here, so just try and blend it out. Next, guys, I'm going with my shader brush and I'm going to go with this light nude color. It looks like white here, but it's actually nude. I'm going to take it and I'm going to place it on my eyelid, my inner eyelid. Guys, you just have to dab it in. Don't blend, just dab it in. I like to use two colors for my eyelid, so it doesn't make my eyelid look too whitish, and it's at the end of the day it comes out nice. So guys, I'm going to take this dark nude color and dab it in there. Guys, just keep taking it down so you can clean off all the harsh lines on your lid. I'm going to do the same thing here because I want my both eye to look identical. Just keep going at it till you're satisfied with the way your eyelid look. Then I'm going to go back with my transition brush to blend out all the harsh lines underneath my brow. The next step to take is your eyeliner application step. I'm going to show you guys how I did this, or the way to do this later, maybe in one of my videos, but I'm just doing this step because it's a very important step. And please, you need to be very careful here not to poke your eyes. My hand no deal, I beg. Guys, I'm done putting on my liner, and the next step is to brush up my eyelashes with my mascara. I'm using the mascara by Zaron Wink, and I'm going to use it to, brush up my eyelashes. After that, the next step will be to pop on my false lashes, and the reason why I'm going to use my mascara first is so that my false lashes and my natural lashes will be like, in sync. So guys, I'll be right back. Let me just do that and pop on my false lashes. I'm done with my makeup, and I won't even lie, I put in a lot of effort into this video. So please guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and genuinely love this video, because hey, Chineke Namo, you don't want to know. Please don't forget to click the notification option in case you want to get notified each time I post a video. See you on my next video.